Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. For those new members, you're very welcome. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button because trust me, this is one of the best places you want to be because you get to learn a lot of things and also learn to gain a lot of things by getting airdrops and other arbitrage informations. So today I'll be taking you guys through how to go about evmos domains. A lot of you have been missing airdrops that has to do with domains especially, and for those who actually could not afford to have minimum of 100 to 200 evmos, and those who have decided to buy evmos when I posted earlier while it was very cheap, and also those who could not really afford the amount. So I understand how it is. At least this one is cheaper. Getting a domain is cheaper, and sometimes just having a domain makes you qualify for some airdrops. So now I'll be showing you how to go about getting a domain name and how which will help you qualify for a lot of airdrops. So first of all, before I show you how to go about it, I need you to sometimes what you just need to do is for you to know the airdrops that you can get you as just a domain name holder. That doesn't mean you shouldn't hold some tokens because Cosmos chain is getting a lot of attention from the whole world. You can see what Atom has been doing lately. So I believe you don't really want to miss Cosmos chain when it will blow out finally. Atom is going up, Stargaze, Evmos, everything that is on Cosmos chain is moving up. Even when BTC is dumping, they are going up because it is one of the strongest chain in town right now. So here, let me just show you something. Just search for Evmos domains, domain or domains, anyone. You don't need to, this is one of their handle for domain names, but I just want you to search just Evmos domains. When you search this, it will show you the airdrops that you can qualify for using your domain name. So you can see here airdrop Evmos domain holder. You can see if you have domain name, you qualify for this airdrop. That's one. If you have domain name, you qualify for this EVD as well. Okay, this it's the same EVD. So you can do like that and always if possible be doing it every day. You can see NFT utility holders will get AD. You can see. So you just hold having a domain name. They will just take snapshot of people with domain names under Evmos and they will send you airdrops. So it is good to also have a domain name. So that's one of the things. You can see 40% to Evmos domains holders. So if you don't have domain name, please and please and please try to get it. You can see this one is just 13 hours ago. So this is why I said you should always turn on notification on my videos. For those who turn it on and they watch early, they should be able to qualify for this because you can see they say Evmos name airdrop finally happening. They say 40% to Evmos domains holders, 20% to registrant early adopters, 10% to the Evmos domains team, 10% to arbitral ecosystem, 10% to Evmos Atom and Osmos staker. So that means if you that have just domain name, you are getting much more than even those who are holding Evmos, Atom, and Osmosis. So you see, you stand a better chance. So now the advantage of holding both Evmos and this is that there are times that they might not give Evmos domain holders. It is about domain name holders. Yes, it is about those who stake. So that's where your stake will help you. So here now, it doesn't mean you get 10% for holding, for staking, and also for this. No, I believe you only qualify for domain since that is the bigger one, so that you should get this airdrop. So that's one of the advantage of having Evmos name. So let's go to the main business, how to go about getting a Evmos name. Please don't joke with this. It costs you, I think, it's around 2.4 Evmos. So if you had even done it before Evmos became this expensive, it might be, it used to be less than $5. But now let's see how it goes. So now you just come here. This is the link. I'll drop it in the video description section for you to have. So please and please just make sure you share with other people so that they can also get this thing. Evmos is growing. I mean Cosmos generally is growing. So and this is the best time to take advantage of this. If you have some of these tokens on Cosmos chain right now, especially Stargaze is still very cheap. It's around 30 something. I think that the last time I checked it was 34 million plus market cap. Imagine when bull run finally starts, all these things will blow up. I will keep shouting this. I won't stop saying it. Please take advantage of this moment. Yeah. So now the first thing you need to do is you need to connect your wallet. This is connect wallet. You can see it here. Connect wallet. Click on connect. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, let me just refresh the page. Refresh the page. I think something is wrong. It's not clicking. Okay, I'm coming. Let me check if they have another link for their domain. You see now I had to move from Chrome to Yandex browser because Chrome always find a way of falling my hands. So now I had to just move to Yandex because Chrome it was not connecting to wallet. You can see here on Chrome it was just showing loading. Let me show you. It was just showing loading as you can see here. It was just showing loading, so that's why I had to move. So now we'll be continuing the stuff on Yandex. So if you actually anything Evmos, anything Cosmos chain, it is best on Yandex when it comes to mobile. So on PC, it's very very good as well. But I just choose to be using Chrome, but it seems Chrome wants to be falling my hand. So now I'll continue here. So first thing you need to do is just to search for the name of your choice. Let me search IB for example. If it's not available, they will tell you somebody else. Two people cannot be sharing the same domain name. So if it's available, they will let you know. So I'll just search. You can see I've not clicked on connect yet. I didn't click on connect. It is when we come to this page and we can now connect. So now search the name again, the name of your choice. Search this. But make sure anytime you're using this browser, Yandex, make sure you've imported your Kepler wallet. You can see here, that's the extension there. Because if you don't have it there, there's no way you can connect your wallet. So now, once I click this, they said you can see here, it shows available. You can see here, it shows available. So now, that means my name is available. And just click connect. I'm here to do, don't mind me, even I myself, I'm here to do my domain name. Due to it's because I have the evmos that can get me to qualify for all of the most of the airdrops. So that's why I have not really bothered, but I will make sure I do it as well so that because of this 40%, this particular 40% that I showed you guys, it's so tempting. I really need to get that 40% as well. So the problem is once I get my evmos in my wallet, immediately I just auto compound. I not really auto compound. Immediately I see the reward drops, I just compound it and move it into my staking pool back. So now I don't have enough left. I'll just show you guys how to go about yours. So what you need to do here, if you are using MetaMask wallet and not Kepler, you can click MetaMask. For me, I don't use MetaMask for Kepler for Evmos. So I use Kepler. So you need to click on Wallet Connect so that it will show you the wallet of your choice. Okay, I think this new upgrade doesn't really make much sense because here you can see, except if you are using mobile phone, you can just screenshot your QR code, then you scan it. But here it's not even showing Kepler among the options. It's not showing. So now what you just need to do for the purpose of, since I'm not running mine yet, what you need to do now is go to MetaMask wallet here. For those of you who really wants to do it on PC. If it's mobile, it will be easier. It will take you to Kepler automatically if it's mobile. But for those of you that are using PC, it might be giving you this same issue. So what you need to do here is go to your MetaMask. Let me just enter the password. Come to MetaMask and just import it. It's safe. Nothing. It's just the same wallet you are importing to another. The same, yes, to another wallet. So yes, I know. So here, what you need to do is you just click here on this circle, this account. You now say import account. You import. So now, when you are importing your account now, you must have, one thing I need you to know is when you are importing this account, don't use PC to import your account to MetaMask. Go to, what is it called? Go to mobile. Use your MetaMask on mobile. When you create on mobile, then after you've created on mobile, you import the phrase on your mobile. After importing on mobile, you now copy. They will give, MetaMask always have private key, and you copy the private key. That's what you use to connect here. But instead of this, all these three steps, just do it on mobile. It's easier. On mobile, what you just need to do is once you click on this connect, it will just pop up your Kepler wallet immediately for you to approve. Once you approve that one, they will show you the amount of gas fee you'll be paying. But before, even the PC does it wasn't like this. Even as at last month, I tried it. It wasn't like this. So before, once you just click this, it will just ask you, it will just bring up Kepler before. Then it will show you the amount of IVMOS you'll be charged. Once you see the amount and you have enough in your wallet, just go on and do it. But for now, they've changed the system. You can see they just launched the mainnet newly. This was not even how the interface was before. So everything has actually changed now. So I would suggest, because since it's like this now, I would suggest you use your mobile phone. Mobile phone will be far easier than this. So even myself, when I'm running mine, I'll be using mobile phone. But this is just the procedure you need to take. This is where you put your name. This IVMOS, I'm not the one that put the IVMOS. It's automatic. It is signage. It is just to show that it is on IVMOS chain. So just make sure you do this. So once you insert your name, as you can see, once you insert your name, it will show. So as you can see, after clicking on that thing, luckily for me, it's finally show what I was trying to show you guys. But it's asking me to still connect to MetaMask, and MetaMask is not what I'm using. So here you can see for 1 year, it's even so reduced now compared to when I saw it last time. When I saw it last time, okay. Yeah, they are using USD value. As at when I saw it, it was this same value, 5.02 USD. But because the value of IVMOS has increased, before it was showing 2.4, now it's showing 1.86, but it's still the same 5 USD. So they are just trying to be considerate. They are making the price on a parallel value of 5 USD. So that's why they are now reducing the amount of events. But that's for 1 year. But if you want to increase it to 2 years, you'll be paying how much? Let's see. So it's just 10. It's 10. It's $10. So if you pick the one of your choice. If you think you prefer for 2 years, you can do it. If you even want 10 years, you can do it. So it's there. So it's all your choice. So you can just do it once and for all. So I can just pick 1 year now, then I'll click register. I'll click on register. Okay, it's on register already. So now the reason why the register will not work is because wallet is not connected. You can see, because I can't connect to MetaMask. I don't have my wallet on this MetaMask yet. Oh, let me check. I only connected my wallet to Chrome, my MetaMask wallet to Chrome, and this bastard Chrome is misbehaving. See, you can see. I only have this. If it's on Chrome now, I have Evmos. Let me show you what I mean. For those that are using PC, so that you can know how it will look like on Chrome. Let me show you how my wallet on Chrome looks like. Your Evmos wallet, I have it imported on MetaMask, but I don't know. Chrome is just fucking me up, honestly. I would have shown you guys how you can see this is Evmos here. And see this is my wallet here. So had it been it's working on Chrome now, all I need to do is just click on Evmos. Once it's changed to Evmos, as you can see here, you can see the value of Evmos I have in my wallet. So these are the unstaked one that I have there. I just keep these ones for gas fee. So here now, I already have this. I would have just click here. It will bring it here. Then I'll click approve here. That's all I need to do. But it's just not working here. I don't know why. You can see the search is not even coming up for me to even click on it. Search is not coming up. So I don't know what is wrong. What exactly is wrong with Chrome? Chrome has, but shall just follow this guide. I believe you'll be able to do it. But it's even easier if you just use mobile. Just use your mobile, then click on connect your wallet. It will just you now use you don't need to it won't even ask you to use MetaMask on mobile phone. You just pop up your Kepler wallet. Make sure you are using Yandex on your mobile phone. You pop up your Kepler wallet and you approve. So easy. But Chrome is just making it easier, very difficult on PC here. So that's how you go about it. So just select your year of choice and you will see the corresponding value. So it says insufficient balance on your wallet, fill your wallet and reload page. Which the wallet I connected is Evmos wallet and there is no Evmos in that wallet, so that's why. So that's all you need to do, guys. So please don't forget to do this so that you can always qualify for all these airdrops. So make sure you once you are done with your domain name, just go to Twitter as I did earlier. Okay, as I did earlier on this is it. Just search for domains, and check for all the airdrops that require domain, and you will see the ones that you qualify for. You don't even need to do any task. Once you have the domain name, you have automatically qualified. You just once they say but there are some airdrop they will say you should go and claim your airdrop in so 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 place. So once they say something like that, make sure you follow and turn on notification on this particular Twitter handle. Follow like this, then click this bell sign just as I said you should do on my YouTube channel. Do the same thing on this WhatsApp. Turn on notification so that anytime they drop anything that okay for those who have a domain name should go and claim their airdrop in so so place, just rush there and go and claim your airdrop. That's how you go about it. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share with your friends and family. See you in my next video on some arbitrage videos like that. So bye.